Hello everyone, welcome back to UPSC Caesars. Today we will be discussing the UPSC Vision Prelims Test Series 2023 test paper number 4. The topic will be Human Geography. Alright, so let us start. The very first question is on the mineral. Mineral is coal. Here, there are three statements as you can see. The very first one states that the brown coal is used for the steam electric power generation. It is the right statement. Bituminous coal are the higher quality than anthracite. No, as we know, anthracite is the best quality coal, followed by bituminous coal, and this is followed by lignite. Bituminous coal has a fewer impurities and higher carbon content. No, anthracite is one with a higher carbon content of all the type of coal. So statement 2 and 3 both are wrong. Answer will be C. Now, the other statement is on mineral ore. We have to detect which of the mineral ore is being talked about in this question. The first statement said that Kalahandi Sabalpur, leading producer of this iron ore. Alright, so it means it can be mica, can be manganese or bauxite out of these three. Based on this first statement, it is associated with laterite rocks occurring extensively in either of the on the plateau or hilly region of peninsular India. Also, it's a very uh, general statement. Will not be able to identify any of the thing out of this. Third statement states that it is not specifically a mineral but a rock consisting of hydrate. So out of this, galena is a hydrate. Yes, is a ore. Cuprite is a ore of copper. Galena is a hydrate. Oh, sorry, ore of lead. Rock salt is NaCl, as we all know, NaCl. And bauxite is what is the answer of alumina. It is the core of alumina hydroxide, OH3. So bauxite will be the answer based on these three statements. Another question will be on Mediterranean agriculture. It is, we all know it is a Mediterranean agriculture. Viticulture is practiced. It is a commercial agriculture is practiced, and due to the shift of the intertropical convergence zone towards the south of 30° north, the farming in the Mediterranean region become easy during the winter seasons. So based on this understanding of ours, we can say it is highly commercialized. Yes, it is only practiced Mediterranean. No, it is not practiced. It is practiced in southern hemisphere as well in countries like Chile. Okay, viticulture specialist speciality of the Mediterranean, yes, as I already discussed with you. Fruits and vegetables are grown in the winter season. Yes, so 1, 3, and 4 will be the right answer. D will be this answer. Another question is on the highway network. Question is out of which golden quadrilateral passes through. We know the golden quadrilateral doesn't pass through the quota. Okay, now and not from the Patna. Now 1, 3, and 4 is the answer. You have to detect the golden quadrilateral that covers all of the area of the earth. This is 2, National Highway 2. Similarly, it is one of the golden quadrilateral. This is one, and this is another one. Connecting Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Mumbai. Right. Another question is again on mineral. India has a near monopoly of production. India is the largest producer of in India. Rajasthan has the largest deposit of mica. Rajasthan is not having the highest deposit. It is Andhra Pradesh with the highest deposit, whereas the highest producer is Odisha. Mica has a unique combination of, yes, it has these characteristics. So we can say that answer is 1 and 3. C will be the answer. Another question is on mineral manganese. We have till now discussed coal, mica, and now we are discussing manganese. It said that it is used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder and pesticide. Yes, right. Brazil is the world's largest producer. We cannot state that it is a Ukraine that is the largest producer of manganese. In Japan, the largest buyer. Oh yes, Japan is the largest buyer of India manganese. So answer is D for 44th. For 55th, which of these minerals are used in iron ore and coking coal industry? We know all of this help in the formation of slag. Slag is an impurity that is formed on the surface of the molten metal. So all this help in the formation of the slag. This slag prevents the oxidation of the molten metal in the crucible boiler. Alright, so the answer is D. Another question will be on large peninsula that bridges the continent of Europe and Russia. It is all we all know that this is only one country. Turkey is such a country that she has a part in that in Asia as well as in Europe, and it is separated. These two sides of the Turkey, two parts of the Turkey, is separated by the narrow strait called Bosphorus Strait and Dandalis Pass. All right. This is all about Turkey. We have to keep special emphasis on the region of Eurasian region because of the ongoing in Russia-Ukrainian conflict. Number of the question could be asked on this. Based on this question on geography aspect has a high probability of being getting asked. Okay, the another question is on mineral copper. India is self-sufficient in the copper reserves. No, India depends on the import for meeting its domestic copper needs even. In India, largest copper deposits are in the Odisha. Yes. Mining copper is a costly, tedious affair with copper mine. Yes. The statement 3 is right. Statement 2 is wrong because we have a largest copper deposit in Rajasthan. Okay. Answer will be D. For 48 C, 49th D. Solar power. This time on solar power energy. India's country the fifth largest. Fifth largest. Since 2016, India's solar power sector has grown a compound. Yes, India solar power has been growing at the rate of 50% with the annual growth rate. India has a largest target has set a target of achieving total installed capacity of 2000. Yes, we all know that India has set a target to produce 300 gigawatt out of the 450 gigawatt of total renewable energy it has committed under INDC targets. Okay, so here will be answer 2 and 3. D will be the answer of 50th question. Now this is very important question. Could be asked in the examination. The question is largest crop production area in India is under rice, followed by wheat. Then we have pulses. Then we have oilseeds. Now, we have to understand this as well. Now we are discussing this question. Question states first statement states that the pulse has occupies more than 1/10 of the total cropped area. Yes, it's obvious. India is the largest consumer and producer of the pulses in the world. Yes, this is the right statement. All pulses are helps in restoring the soil fertility. So we cannot say all. There are certain pulses like gram pig, chickpea that helps, but all the pulses does so. We cannot say that. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh are the leading producers. Yes, these are the leading producers. So answer of this is C, which is the wrong statement. As we have to find this question the wrong statement. Answer is C. Now the another question is on the oil reserves. We know the largest oil reserve is in Venezuela, followed by Saudi Arabia, where the largest onshore oil field 2 lies. Question states that half of the world oil reserves are located in the Middle East. Yes, half of the world oil reserves are located in the Middle East. Second statement is Venezuela is the second largest producer. No, it is the largest reserve. Largest amount of the reserve of oil is in Venezuela. Garwar is not the second, is the world largest. It is the largest onshore oil field is in Saudi Arabia. Name of the oil field is not important from UPSC point of view. You just have to keep a thorough understanding of the oil production distribution in the world. So answer will be 1. D will be the answer of 66th question. Now the another question is again on coal. This time is studying the anthracite. We know that anthracite is bituminous coal contributes 80% of the coal production in India. We depend heavily on the import of the coals. Anthracite is a premium quality of the coal, but it is restricted in the areas. Its mining is restricted in the areas of Jammu and Kashmir only. It is found in this coal, bituminous and lignite rock are found in Gondwana region, Dharwar region, as well as Kudappa rock systems. Okay, so let us discuss this. Anthracite, it's a type of the coal is found in Jammu Kashmir. Yes, Jharkhand is the largest coal reserve in India. Yes, even the Jharkhand is the largest coal producer in India. In India, about 60% of the coal deposits in India is of bituminous. Yes, we have discussed this thing. In India, coal occur within geological age, namely Gondwana. No, we know it occurs in Gondwana, Dharwar range, Dharwar and Kudappa. Alright, so this statement is wrong. We have to detect the wrong statement in this question. So answer is D. Which of these countries share the border with Kuwait? It is only the Iraq and Saudi Arabia that share the border with Kuwait. Iran and Qatar, Bahrain, all of this don't share the border with Kuwait. Answer will be 2 and 3. B will be the answer of 7. 1 minute. 1 and 3, sorry. D is the answer of 82nd question. Now the other question is on iron ore. We have to detect the mining fields and arrange them in the north to south directions. So very first is Bailadila Hill, Mayurganj, Panj, Ballari and Durg. We know the Ballari is in Karnataka, so it is the southernmost. So 3 out of B and C we have to find out. Mayurganj is another most. 2, so C will be the answer. Durg and Bailadila both lie in Chhattisgarh. Mayurganj is in Odisha. In Karnataka, South Ballari there is a Mangalore plus uh, one more said Kukkudermuk iron ore field. Alright, so this is the backward and forward languages related to this question. Now we move to another question. Answer is C, as we have already discussed. Another question is on again manganese. It is an important raw material in smelting. Yes, it is an important raw material. Manganese deposits are found mainly in Dharwar range. Okay, Sundargarh and Karanandi are the important manganese located in Karnataka. No, these are the fields in Odisha. So on statement 3 is wrong. B is 1. Manganese is not found in Dharwar. Can be found in other rock system as well. So answer of 87 is A. Sunflower oil production. Okay. It is a low contribute around less than 5%. This is right statement. Grown in both Kharif and Rabi season. Maharashtra is the highest producer of the sunflower oil. No, Maharashtra is not the largest oil producer. This sunflower production does not have a largest sunflower production. It is Karnataka that is having the largest sunflower production in India. Out of this our analysis, we can say answer 1 and 2 is right. So the option A will be going to be right. For both the statements, A is right. Okay, we have to, these are the wetlands that are given. We have to match them. But Bakira is in Uttar Pradesh. This is right. Vedanthangal is in Tamil Nadu. It's a wrong statement. And Kijadia is again in Gujarat. These are 2. 1 and 3 is right. B is the right answer. These are the wetland that has been added to the list of the Ramsar sites from Indian sites in 2020. Alright. Now we have to match that. This is the easy question. You press will not ask this, but this is only for the point of general understanding. Okay. Is a very medium value question. So the question said Rihad Dam is built on Betwa River. No, it is built on Son River. Son a tributary, right hand tributary of Ganga River. Salal Dam in Chenab. Yes, this is Metur Dam in Kaveri. Yes, Metur is in Kaveri. Thiragund is on Mahanadi. So answer will be 2, 3 and 4. So you can go through this map. Salal Dam, Chenab. Then we have Bakra. Then we have Rana Pratap, Sagar. These are important, which you must be having in your mind. The Rihad Dam on Son River. Then you can have Panchat, Tikilia, Konkar on Damodar River system. Hirapur Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Nagarjuna Dam, and Mayo Dam. So these are all the dams, important dams in India. Alright. So hope you have learned from this video the important question of the test number fourth of the division. Soon we will be coming with the test number 5th high value and medium value questions. So stay updated. Thank you very much.